Welcome all. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of efficiently converting your KML files to SQLite using the powerful converter tool in MAPOG. Click on the Process Data menu and choose the Converter Tool option. Upload your KML file. This is your starting point where you provide the data that needs conversion. After uploading the data, select SQLite as the output file format. You can also set the CRS at this stage to ensure your data aligns correctly with your spatial analysis requirements. Click Convert and let the tool work its magic. Check your converted TopoJSON data to ensure it looks right. Once satisfied, download the converted file. Thank you for watching. For any queries, please contact us at support@mapog.com.